Alrighty folks, what we're looking at here today is a weird fan. This fan is a KDK Royalaire. Got this at Habitat a while back. Model number 52YRU. Wait, that's not a model number, it just says type. Dummy. A few stickers. Doesn't say what date it is, I'm assuming early 80s. Metal is like a textured brown. It's got that cool design on the bottom. I always thought these were unique. Weird blade arms. Fan has no stencil. It's got the split type. It's got a split type canopy. Has a threaded pull chain with a tassel on the end. But yeah, it's a nice fan. I like it. And now we will start it off on low. Performance on this fan is alright. It's not extremely good. It's alright. It's not terrible like a Littleton. Another cool thing about this fan, which I'll actually zoom in and show you, the top part of the housing spins along with the blades, but the bottom part doesn't. So I guess you could call it like a half spinner fan type thing. It's got a nice low speed, it's not too slow, but yeah. It's low speed pretty much. It's not fast or anything. It's nice and slow. It's low speed that I like. So here's medium. It does wobble a bit. I don't really want to bother fixing it because I'm afraid that I'll bend one of the blade arms. Another nice thing I forgot to state is that it has a nice brass ring on the bottom to give it a little more, you know, a good look, I guess. I don't know why, but the way this thing looks, right, how it's running right now, just like how the bottom part looks, it, for some weird reason, reminds me of an anteater. I really don't know why, it just came to my mind. So that's medium, and here's high. fast, but it's fast, I'd say. I guess that tag will give you an RPM reference. Alright, and here's spin down. Alright, so it's stopped. I will end the video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.